Hi, today I'm reviewing Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing option on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the battery and device care section. Here click to the battery and then scroll down. After that, tap the wireless power sharing section, and just to turn on this option you should click here on the switcher to turn it on. Now we can see that our device is ready to charge. So here we can see the tutorial how you can do that. Also you can read here the description. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.